Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to share the 5 ways to prevent mosquitoes from biting us. These methods will help you to prevent that mosquito from aiming his wrath at you. With this warm weather, we spend a lot of time outside and we also like to throw open our windows at night to let the cool air in. The result, mosquitoes coming from far and wide to have a taste of our blood. To the mosquito, this is a nice meal, but to us, it just means having a bunch of itchy red bumps. What can to do about it? Well, there are quite a few methods to keep those nasty insects as far away from you as possible. Have you tried these 5 tricks before? No. No more mosquitoes bites for you. First thing, the fan. Mosquitoes are not able to fly very well when it's windy. Even a light breeze is too much for them already. You can definitely use this weakness against them. Just turn on the fan. Try aiming the fan downwards a little because the mosquitoes will try to fly a little lower to avoid the breeze. The second tips, wear light clothes. These nasty insects most often strike when the sun is either just rising or just setting. They will look for colors that contrast with the horizon, like black and other dark colors. If you wear light colors, you will be less visible to them, mosquitoes, and therefore less appetizing. White clothes might not be handy when it comes to barbecue sauce and marinated meat, but it's definitely a good trick if you don't want to be bitten. Then the next tips is lavender. Insects hate the smell of lavender. So, if you plant a few lavender plants in your garden, they will frequent it a lot less. You can also rub lavender directly on your skin by using some essential oil if you want to keep the mosquitoes at distance. This is especially nice if you're about to go to bed because the smell of lavender relaxes people. So the zzz sound will come out your mouth instead of the mosquito's mouth. Then the fourth tip is garlic. This method might ward off people as well as mosquitoes. Having warned you about that, we can confirm that eating a lot of garlic will cause your pores to excrete a smell of garlic. Because of this, you will smell like less human and the mosquitoes will be less tempted to come at you. Then the fifth one is cloves. Besides lavender, mosquitoes also hate the smell of cloves. You can fill a bowl with water and add some cloves to this. Place this on a table or on your nightstand and the nasty buggers will stay away and bug you a lot less. Almost all prevention is best. If you want to prevent mosquitoes from hanging around your house a lot, you will need to make sure that you don't have any stagnant water around your house. This is where the mosquitoes lay their eggs. Replace bowls of water for pets every day and clean them properly. Another tip is to water your garden or lawn in the morning, but only if you have to. It's better to save water when it's hot. That's way it will have all day to dry. Mosquitoes love moisture. So the drier it is around your home, the fewer mosquitoes they will be. You can also use a mosquito net around your bed. And of course, the good old citronella candles and mosquitoes repellent spray will help you out as well.